Welcome to Collins College. The website was designed using a content management system, Joomla. The calendar shows the lectures organized on their respective dates. This is the history of our campus. These are some of the courses conducted by the college. These can be expanded to show the full details of the courses conducted. The strength of the application allows users who are keen on the courses conducted to save a soft copy of the course brochure by clicking the print button. This is the soft copy of the course conducted. Here are the admission requirements for the courses conducted. Here are some of the ways to how to apply to Collins College based on the course requirements stated. These are some of the news and events of the campus. The full details of the news and events for metabolism. The system administrator is in charge of all user accounts within the website. The system administrator is in charge of all the users as stated here, as shown here. They are allowed to create new staff accounts. Here the administrator will assign the user groups, which is in this case a staff user. The account has been created successfully. A notification email will be sent to the system administrator for the new account created. This is the account with the username and password for the staff access right. Now to log in as a staff account. This is the account validation for an incorrect login or password used. Login success. The staff will be able to manage their own account details by clicking the My Account tab. They are able to edit their own information such as their address, city, country number, zip code, phone number, website. However, if they wish to change the password, they have to access the website through the Site Administrator panel. Here, the staff are able to change their password, as well as update the other profile details. The details have been updated successfully. Staff will be able to organize a lecture. This tab is unique only to the staff access group. Here, the staff have to fill in the following information. Staff details. This is auto-generated based on the staff account created, such as the name and their email address. Here, they have to fill in the lecture title, which in this case will be Hospitality and Management. They are even able to upload an image according to the lecture title and category by selecting a file from the desktop. Here, the staff are allowed to select the date of the lecture, the start date and the end date. As shown here, start date and end date. A calendar is introduced to assist the staff in selecting the lecture dates and the time of the lecture, which is 12 o'clock for this instance. Here, the staff are able to select multiple dates in an event whereby they want to organize a seminar instead of a lecture. Here are some notes to guide the staff in selecting the dates of the lecture. Here, the staff are supposed to enter the lecture overview. Next, the staff are supposed to enter the venue of the lecture as well as the form of contact for further inquiries. And this is the number of delegates allowed to attend the lecture. Staff have to agree to the terms and conditions before a lecture is created. Events submitted. The lecture has been organized. This is the lecture organized based on the date and the timing of the lecture. This is the full details of the lecture, 10 available seats, and the contact details for further inquiries. Currently, there are no participants registered for this lecture. Staff are allowed to amend the lecture details from the administrator side. It's under IC Agenda, Control Panel, Events. Here, the staff can view all the events held. They are able to edit the event details, such as change the title, the category, select event image, the date of the lecture, the description of the lecture. The lecture has been updated successfully. As shown. Concurrently, a notification email will be sent to the administrator for each lecture organized, as shown here. This is the staff who organized the lecture, and this is the link to the lecture event organized. Here, the delegates will register for an account. They are required to fill in the following information. Each field is validated to check for an empty field. The username and password must be filled in. The username must be unique, as well as the email address. This is for security purposes to ensure that no two accounts are duplicated. The account has been created and an activation link has been sent to the email address entered. The account must be activated before the delegate is allowed to log in. This is the email notification received. It states the delegate's name, the username and password registered, and this is the activation link. The account has been successfully activated. You may now log in. Login success. Here, similarly to the staff account, delegates are able to edit their own account details. The account has been updated successfully. Delegates are able to register for lectures. These are all of the lectures available. Registration is only allowed for lectures that are still ongoing. For lectures that have been over, such as 30th of April, Introduction to Psychology, it will show event finished. The users are not allowed to register for this course. However, they are still able to view the lecture details of this lecture organized. We will register for the hospitality lecture. Currently, there are 10 seats available. The delegate is supposed to fill in the following information. This information, such as the ID, name and email, are auto-generated based on the delegate's login details. You will select the date of lecture. However, there's only showing one because hospitality and tourism management is only conducted for one day. For an event conducted multiple days, there will be multiple dates shown. Registration successful. The number of seats is deducted by 1, and the list of participants have been updated by 1, which is James. A notification email will be sent to the delegate to notify them of their registration details. You have registered for hospitality and tourism management. This is the information entered. For cancellation, please send an email to the administrator. Best regards, Collins College. Concurrently, a notification email will be sent to the system administrator notifying them of the registration. This is the notification for the account created. User James has been created. And this is the notification email for the event registered. Hospitality and Tourism Management by James. Next, the delegates are able to send a feedback to the system administrator in the Contact Us page. The feedback has been sent successfully. Here, the administrator has received the feedback from James and will reply accordingly. Lastly, all users of the website will be able to view the following reports: list of staff, list of presenters, list of lectures, as well as list of delegates. However, list of delegates are only accessible by the system administrator. This is the list of staff report. The list contains all the staff within the campus and their respective lectures conducted. One strength of the application is that it allows sorting based on the respective titles, such as presenters, organizers, lecture titles, categories, or overviews. It is able to sort via venue too. All the venues has been sorted in order. This is the same process for the list of presenters and their respective lectures. Lastly, this is the list of lectures within the campus and the overview of the lecture. Here, only the system administrator is allowed to view the list of delegates. The list of delegates show all of the lectures registered by each individual delegate and the full details of the delegate who have made the registration, as shown below. Lastly, these are the list of group members involved in the entire project. Thank you for your time.